is our 2018 Ford Transit Wagon 350 XLT-HD. This particular Transit can secure 2 wheelchair passengers and up to 7 ambulatory passengers. It's got a bright silver exterior and a high-top black interior, parking sensors, backup camera, and more. This particular conversion has removable bench seats here, but if a different floor plan works better for you, just call one of our mobility consultants and we can custom craft a Transit just for you. The commercial platform lift is by Icon. It has an 800-pound weight capacity. We can install them either in the side entry or the rear. In this Transit, we have a Icon lift in the rear. It's got a couple of great interlocked safety features connected. While the lift is deployed, the van itself won't go into gear. If this belt comes undone during the use of the lift will stop. Instead of lowering the floors in these full-size vans, we add a subfloor for added comfort and versatility. Travel with the peace of mind from the knowledge that these vehicles have undergone a rigorous service and safety inspection from ASE certified technicians. The Ford Transit has a large floor space, giving our conversion technicians extraordinary versatility when designing the ADA compliant personal or commercial configuration that fits your needs. If you have any more questions about this van or any others in our inventory, feel free to give us a call at the number right up there. And remember to make it a great day.